Foldable smartphones have come on leaps and bounds in the last couple of years, and it's arguably Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip line leading the way, with last year's Z Flip 3 selling millions of units worldwide. The Korean giant is now all set to reveal the next model, which is almost certain to arrive August 10, an unpacked event that's already been confirmed by Samsung. Here's everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Samsung has confirmed that it's launching the new product on August 10, and this is almost certainly when we will finally meet the Z Flip 4 officially. The company has even almost admitted as such in a statement from President Dr. T.M. Rowe, declaring that the mainstream moment for foldable is here. There's also the fact that the trailer of the event pretty clearly shows the side of a Z Flip model, forming a greater than symbol to highlight that the new phones will be greater than the ones out now. Last year, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 launched alongside the Z Fold 3 in August, so it's almost certain that Samsung will take a similar approach this year, revealing the Flip 4 alongside with the Z Fold 4 and likely the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 too. Interestingly, Samsung has apparently ordered 8.7 million panels, up from 5.1 million last year, which means it's expecting to sell even more flips this time around. We have heard similar reports from the ELAC, which in May reported that the Samsung has begun mass production of components with an aim to produce over 10 million foldable in total, with 70% of those being Z Flip 4 models. We expect that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be priced at $1,000. Industry expert Ross Young thinks we might see a price cut, pointing as evidence to the fact that Samsung's July production order for the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 is more than double the equivalent production last year. That's taking both foldables together, of course, so it could be that the Fold is brought down in price while the Flip stays the same, or Samsung may decide not to reduce the price of either. One perk is that US customers can save a little by reserving the phone now. Technically, you are only reserving a pre-order slot. If you don't need to put any money down yet, just your contact details.